Hey guys, how's it going today? I recently decided to upgrade my bedroom setup and chose the Nestl adjustable bed frame. And I have to say, it's been one of the best decisions I've made for my sleep and overall comfort. After using it for several weeks, I feel confident sharing my thoughts on how it's performed and what I like and don't like about it. Right from the beginning, the delivery process was smooth. The bed frame arrived well packaged with all the parts clearly labeled. Assembly was surprisingly simple. I managed to put it together on my own in under an hour. The instructions were clear, and the tools needed were included in the box. I appreciated that the frame was designed to be intuitive, so I wasn't left scratching my head during setup. What stands out most about the Nestl adjustable bed frame is its smooth and quiet motor system. Adjusting the head and foot of the bed is effortless with the wireless remote control. It has multiple preset positions, including a zero-gravity mode that elevates both the head and feet slightly. This one quickly became my favorite. It helps alleviate pressure on my lower back and just feels incredibly relaxing, whether I'm watching TV, reading, or trying to fall asleep. Another big plus is the underbed lighting. It's a subtle glow that makes nighttime navigation easy without having to turn on a lamp or ceiling light. The frame also includes USB ports on both sides, which has been super convenient for charging my phone and other devices overnight without cluttering my nightstand with extension cords. The structure itself is very sturdy. It supports my memory foam mattress perfectly without any sagging or creaking, even when moving between positions. The frame has a sleek modern design and doesn't take up a ton of visual space in the room, which I really appreciate. I also like that it sits at a comfortable height, not too low, not too high, which makes getting in and out of bed easy. There are a few minor things I think could be improved. For one, I would have liked a better mattress retainer bar. The one included works, but occasionally the mattress shifts slightly when I change positions. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something I notice. I also wish the remote had a backlight for easier use in the dark. Right now, I have to tilt it toward the light to see which button I'm pressing. Despite those small drawbacks, the Nestl adjustable bed frame has significantly improved how I sleep and relax. Whether I'm dealing with occasional back pain or just want a more comfortable way to lounge in bed, this frame delivers. It's quiet, stable, and loaded with useful features that make everyday use better. Overall, I'm really happy with this purchase. If you're considering switching to an adjustable bed frame and want something that's reliable, user-friendly, and packed with features, the Nestl frame is definitely worth looking into. It's enhanced both my sleep quality and my overall nighttime routine. Highly recommended. If you guys have any more questions on it, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.